Hi everyone, welcome to Civil Engineers Educator, and today our topic is concrete technology. And today we will learn about what are the materials used to make the concrete. Okay, and firstly, concrete is a mixture made with binder, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, water, and admixtures. Okay. What is binder? Binder is like in the concrete mixture, binder like binding material like cement, lime. In the olden days, instead of cement, we used to lime is used in the concrete. Now we are maximum using in the all over the world is cement. And coming to the fine aggregate, it's nothing but sand, and it particle ranges from 2 micron to 4.75 millimeter. Okay, and coming to coarse aggregate is a material formed from rock substance, from igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, okay, and the metamorphic rocks, and its size varies from greater than 4.75 to 80 mm. Okay, and coming to the water we used to take portable water in the sense which is used for drinking. It's come under the portable water. Okay, portable water, and the water does not contains any organic material or any chemical material in it. Okay, and coming to admixtures are several types. We can discuss some of the admixtures are like accelerators, plasticizers, and super plasticizers. Okay, let us see. Accelerator is used to have less curing time. Okay, less curing time means it will gain good strength in the low time of period. It will make strength is more. In the repair works of highway, we use the accelerator as a admixtures. Okay, and coming to the plasticizer, it increases the workability of the concrete. Okay, it increases the workability of the concrete. Where we can use like deep beams or column beam junctions. Okay, while placing we will use the plasticizer as an admixture. And coming to the retarders, it slow down the setting time. Setting time means it comes to the initial setting time of the concrete. Okay, where we can use the super plasticizer like G plus 15 building is. Now there is a concreting in G plus 15 building. Okay, then it will take much time than the G plus 2 G plus 3 building. Okay, then we use a super plasticizer as an admixture to slow down the setting time of the concrete. The concrete can be mixed of two types. One is nominal mix, one is design mix. Okay, let us see about the nominal mix. The nominal mix is nothing but it is used like batching of concrete in way batching. Okay, from M5 to so on to M20, it's come under the nominal mix. In the design of nominal mix, we use volumetric design, and it is followed by the gauge boxes. Okay, let us see for M20 concrete. Okay, M here represents the mix, and 20 represents the strength of the concrete when it is cured in 28 days of water curing. Okay, it is denoted in kilonewton per mm square. Okay, and coming to the M20 mix, the M20 mix proportion is 1:1.5:3. Okay, 1 represents cement content, 1.5 represents fine aggregate, and 3 represents coarse aggregate. Okay, here we can see if we take one bag of cement. Okay, one bag of cement, it's volumetric batch. Okay, one bag of cement, we will take 1.5 of sand. Okay, and 3 bags of coarse aggregate. And for the design mix, it comes under from M25 to M80 is comes under the design mix, and from M25 to M40, M55 comes to standard mix, and M60 to M80 comes to high strength mix. There are several methods for design from the design mix method. Some of the design mix methods are IS Caudal provision, IS Caudal method, ASI American Standard method, and it depends on several properties of the material. Okay. Thank you.